What's going on, fellas? It's getting cold out, and I finally got some money to build a better Ventura. Now, the one I had was great, but we're gonna see how I'm doing this today. I busted out the big guns. Basically, what we're looking at here is a massive Ventura blower. I put a lot of effort into this one. It's definitely cost some money here. There's a lot more than meets the eye here. This is a Central Machinery 13-gallon portable dust collector that has had all the restrictor plates taken out of it. So this is the inlet restrictor plate. As you can see, it's pretty heavily restricted. For the amount of air we're moving, that's like a wall. And then the discharge is just no better. So that's quite a bit of blockage, quite a bit of turbulence, all that stuff. So we got all that garbage out of there, and we probably got another 30% performance out of this thing, but I need the help of the YouTube community. Also, you see that restrictor there? There's also one of those inside there giving me a Ventura nozzle. Wanted to point that out. But I need your guys' help in figuring out how to speed control this motor. It's a 120 volt single phase capacitor motor, and VDFs don't like that. The capacitor value changes as the RPM value changes on this motor, and I believe they can mess with the power factor and everything. So I don't know if there's a way I can speed control this. Okay, now that the fire is going good, it burns all the smoke. We're basically just seeing steam here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All the smoke gets burnt inside of that little throat right there because it's just a tube of fire, basically. No smoke is getting past that point as far as I can tell. Does a pretty good job. Just lit this thing and it's already blasting hot. Okay, fellas, so though this Ventura had great suction and all, the wet unburning is just extremely, the wood unburning is just extremely wet. So after just a couple of weeks, you can see the effects of cooling down the exhaust stream. It's just absolutely decimates the Ventura. Now the Ventura still works, but its efficiency is drastically reduced. I mean, look at that. So I don't want to have to clean this thing out every 2 weeks for maximum performance. And the blower finally burned up on it also. Finally burnt the brushes up in this bad boy. You can see they're just toast. They should be sticking out of there about 1.5 inches. So this is a good Ventura, just not for wet wood.